Motion Series was originally created to bring the performance that we're known for in our electrostatic line of speakers into a form factor that will fit into places that typical ESL will not. SLM expands on that even further. You get an ultra slim form factor, but all the performance we're known for in our Motion Series.
Motion SLM is a complete suite of on-wall, left, right, center solution products for the ever thinner, large format display market. They're extremely thin, and they are a great complement to any flat panel display.
One of the key benefits of the SLM series is that they are highly efficient, and this allows you to use a small amount of power from any receiver and get a lot of sound out of it. The SLM series uses the folded motion tweeter that has a much larger diaphragm area than your standard 1-inch dome. This helps keep distortion down much lower than you would in any conventional tweeter.
The Motion SLM family consists of the SLM, the SLM XL, and the SLM X3. SLM and SLM XL are perfectly sized for a 55 or 65-inch TV, perfectly at home as a left, center, or right channel.
We added more cabinet volume and 2 extra passive radiators to the Slim XL to get more bass performance out of still a very compact design.
SLM X3 is a passive soundbar that contains the front left, center, and front right channels all in one chassis, and it's perfectly sized for a 65-inch or larger flat screen. SLM and SLM XL have optional paintable grille covers that cover the entire cabinet in order to give the appearance of an architectural speaker without the commitment of cutting the hole in the wall to install it permanently. They're as easy to hang on a wall as a picture frame, but they also include tabletop pedestals perfect for vertical installations. If you want to put it on the wall, on a piece of furniture, on a table, either upright or horizontal, we basically give you all those options where appropriate.
The dispersion pattern of the folded motion tweeter in the speaker is an 80 by 80 dispersion, so it doesn't matter which way you mount it, vertical or horizontal, you still get the same sound profile out of it.
Really, there's no compromises when designing this speaker. It's truly an audiophile grade product without the bulk associated with a typical audiophile speaker.